The ones we were looking out for were Jorginho, Ricardo Calafiori and Kai Havertz. They're still doing their own individual training programs indoors. So Jorginho still recovering from that chest injury. Ricardo Calafiori, Mikel Arteta has said that he could be back for this game against Bournemouth on Sunday. He's not out there with the rest of the squad just now, so I'm guessing we'll get more on Calafiori's fitness in Mikel Arteta's news conference, which will be tomorrow here at Arsenal's training ground. And of course Kai Havertz as well. Mikel Arteta has said that there's still a chance that Kai Havertz could come back before the end of the season following his hamstring surgery. One player who is out there is Thomas Partey, of course. He was suspended for Tuesday night's Champions League first leg defeat against Paris Saint-Germain. How Arsenal did miss him. He, of course, can play against Bournemouth on Saturday and, of course, against Paris Saint-Germain on Wednesday night as well. One player who won't be in the squad tomorrow, and that is because of a contractual issue, and that is Neto, the goalkeeper. He, of course, is on loan from Bournemouth to Arsenal, so he can't play against his parent club.
Okay.
Now, Dharmesh, Arsenal's season, it really hangs on that match, doesn't it, against PSG. What kind of team can we expect Mikel Arteta to pick on Saturday?
Against Bournemouth.
Yeah, it's going to be really interesting to see the team selection from Mikel Arteta. We'll obviously find that out on Saturday around an hour and a quarter before that 5:30 kickoff at the Emirates. You say that the season hangs on the Paris Saint-Germain game. Yes, on the one hand, I would say and agree with you there, but there is motivation going into the Bournemouth game because Arsenal can actually qualify this weekend for next season's Champions League. Two results would have to go their way for that to happen. If they were to beat Bournemouth at the Emirates on Saturday and if Chelsea were to lose at home to the champions Liverpool on Super Sunday, then Arsenal would guarantee themselves qualification for next season's Champions League. And, you know, they talk about small margins and small boosts ahead of big games. I just wonder whether that would represent a bit of a boost for Arsenal, knowing that they're guaranteed that Champions League qualification for next season going in to that second leg against PSG.